What is up? It's shadjuice up in here. Time for some more of what's sold on eBay. It's Monday night. It is 11 o'clock. We only had 7 sales today. But hey, any sales are good sales, man. I do this part-time, so I'm glad to sell stuff every day. It's very rare that I don't sell something, so as long as I'm making a little bit of money here and there, man, I'm happy. So let's go. First up, we got Bust the Move 4 for the Sega Dreamcast. Got $16.96 free shipping. Disc is pretty clean. This is out of my personal collection. This is like, you know, Bubble Bobble. I'm not going to play this game. Alright. Next up, we got a Pac-Man amiibo here. We got $14.95 free shipping on him. If you remember, I just got this not recently. This is a C-3PO Star Wars Xbox 360 controller. Came with the Star Wars system. And you might have been able to buy this separate too. But anyways, we got $34.95 free shipping on that one. And it should go under £1. I'll put it in a box with a little bit of bubble wrap. We should be in at under £1, hopefully. These are those two harnesses I talked about for Battle Cat on He-Man that I put together and sold. We got $18.95 for both of them. Let's stick that in a little 8x4x4 box. It'll be good to go. This is something I've had laying around. This is like the original Silver DS, the old system. What I add for it? I had like Cooking Mama with it. It tested and worked. It's got a lot of scuffing and stuff on it from just being old. I got $29.95 plus $5.35 shipping. We'll put that in a small box. It'll be good to go. Next up, we got Paulatina amiibo. We got $14.95 for her. So if I'm making at least 10 bucks on amiibo, I'm happy. I got another amiibo lot today on eBay. I think it was $32 shipped for 10 amiibo. And one of them was Princess Zelda, and she almost goes for $30. So that was a good deal there. I just sold her the other day. And then this is a lot of sold these for parts. This is 2 DS lights. We got a pink one that it won't turn on. It's not the battery. I've changed batteries, so I don't know why it's not playing. Then the white one's missing the battery cover, and it's got a bunch of dirt around it, and it's not in great condition. So I sold them for $29.95 free shipping. This might be closer to £1, so we'll have to put these in a padded flat rate if they are. So that's the sales for Monday. We'll be back with some more sales, or we'll get into some shenanigans. I don't know what was going to happen yet. Hey guys, guess what? I finally got tested and can be able to list now. This Model 1 Sega CD that I got in that really dirty 900 lot. It actually worked. I could not believe this. This is a fidgety system. Like they had a GameCube that didn't work, but this still worked. I tested around 30 games for it. So I haven't listed it yet, but we're going to sell that and the power cord. And we got the 32X, which works. I'm going to sell it with the clamps to go inside the Sega to hold it in tight. And I'll sell that one with the power cord. But I'm not selling it with the cord that goes from here to the Genesis. I need to keep that for mine, actually. So, here's some of the stuff. I actually got this stuff listed. We got a Lunar Eternal Blue with this official strategy guide. I got that up for $239.95 right now. I listed Final Fight CD. I got that up for like 30 bucks free shipping. Android Assault, which is a rare game. I got this for up for like 85 bucks, but it's pretty scratchy. But it works. Batman Returns. This is a clean disc. I got this up for $24.95 free ship. And here's a Lunar Silver Star with a strategy guide also. I'm the only one that has a complete version of this listed right now. I have no watchers on this yet. I think it's cool to come with the strategy guide. And then I tested all this stuff in here. I haven't listed it yet. Nothing like too crazy. Actually, Sonic CD is good. And that Heart of the Alien is probably about $75 game. So there's some money in here. Sylphid, that's probably going in the collection. I think I have it loose, so I don't have it complete. It's a good shooter. But yeah, finally got that stuff done, man. That's been sitting in a tub for months and months. You just don't know how pain in the ass it is to hook this Sega stuff up. Like that, a Genesis and the 32X, all the cords. Finally got around to it though. I'm happy I got it done.
Hello, boils and ghouls.
I've had this guy forever, man. I've probably had this since the 90s. My dad won this in a claw machine at the mall, like in the 90s at Forest Fair Mall. So that's pretty cool. I still hold on to it. It still works. We've never changed the battery in it or nothing, so it's pretty cool. Tales from the Crypt was a pretty cool show, man, back in the good old days on HBO. I don't know where to put him. Whoop. All right, let's get into some sales. Today's Tuesday. We've only had 6 sales today. It's kind of slowing down. I need to get some video game stuff listed, man. It's just, during the week, it's just hard for me. I knocked a lot out over the weekend, but during the week, it's just, it's kind of hard working full-time and doing this part-time, and I don't have to do it, so it's like right now, it's 11 o'clock. I don't really feel like doing this, but hey, we're going to do it. Try to pump out some videos, show y'all what's selling. So let's get to it. All them action figures I listed over the weekend are definitely paying off. We got what we got here? We got a Superman here with the long hair. It's hard to see, but it looks like he's got a mullet. I'll even put that in the description. We got $19.95 free shipping on him. We got a Donkey Kong amiibo here. I know it's hard to see. I got these in the plastic, but I'm going to put them on the screen. Got $29.95 for this Donkey Kong amiibo. It's pretty awesome. 30 bucks for an amiibo. And we got a DC Universe's Classics Penguin. And he's got his umbrella in there. We got $23.95 for him. And the last figure we got Shazam Captain Marvel from the DC Comics Universe Classics. We got $19.95 for him, so we're averaging 20 bucks, you know, free shipping on these action figures, man. These 6-inch ones sell really good. I did go with the 3.5-inch ones. And I got a whole tub of Justice League Unlimited, like 3-inch figures and stuff, man. They're not worth nothing. Like, I had some boxed ones that were worth some good money, but most of them smaller ones are not worth a lot. So I'm thinking I'm just going to have to lot those up. So it's whatever. Found this DS game in a little bin I keep DS games and Game Boy games, like lot with systems. Professor Layton in the Curious Village got $11.95 free ship. Make a few bucks on that. I've had this sitting for a long time. It really wasn't worth nothing in this Dirty Minds game. The game of naughty clues. But I know games and stuff are selling now, so I listed it. It's brand new sealed. Got $19.95 free shipping. I would just say it'll definitely go under £1. I might stick it in a box, or we might bubble it and polybag it. But yeah, guys, that's it for the sales today. Not a ton of sales. It's a Tuesday. Like I said, I definitely need to get more video game stuff listed. I do have a decent amount listed now, but people want the Nintendo stuff. They want the GameCube. They want the 64. They want the Super Nintendo, and the PlayStation 2 are hot. So I listed some Sega CD games and stuff, and some ColecoVision stuff. That stuff's going to take a little bit. So, but we got some watchers on it. Hopefully some stuff starts selling. But that's going to end it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you guys are making some sales. Peace out.